Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do about your apps crashing and compatibility issues on iOS 26. Okay, so let's begin. First, and the easiest thing is simply checking out do you have the latest version of your apps. To do it, simply open up the App Store, and when you have problems, for example, with that one certain app that it doesn't want to work properly, it crashes, it's lagging, or have the connectivity problems, simply type the name of your app in the App Store, search it up, and check can you download an update, because simply those problems might be caused by the version of your app. If you are not using the latest, that is why maybe your apps isn't working properly. Next thing is simply reinstalling an app and then installing it again. If you uninstall the app, after that you can also restart your iPhone and then install it once again and then try did it help you. Second thing is restarting your iPhone, performing a force restart. Don't worry, force restarting your iPhone doesn't delete any of your data. To do it, we need to click the volume up, volume down, and then we need to start holding the power button until we see the Apple logo. And when it appears, we can release our finger and then simply wait a little bit until the phone turns on again. Another thing is checking the storage space of your iPhone. Go into the settings, then scroll down, click on General, and click on iPhone storage. Simply make sure that you have enough storage space, because you know, if you have some big system updates plus a lot of data, simply the apps that you have installed might don't have enough space to work properly. In here you can see how many free space you got. If you have a really small amount of that storage, you should consider deleting something to gain that storage, and after that your apps might work better, and normally you shouldn't have those crashes or problems with connectivity. Okay, also there's a chance that if it don't help you, we'll have to wait until the Apple gives us another update of the iOS 26. Simply from time to time you can check when you go into the general and software update, do you have some updates possible to download. If something will appear, simply download it. There is a chance that Apple will solve those problems in upcoming update. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.